Someone told me to go.
Why would you go on the someone right there?
What do you mean? You win. I want to say sorry. I want to say sorry. I want to say sorry.
You want to say sorry?
Just go. Just go.
No. Let him go. Let him go.
Hey, don't apologize. Dude, don't apologize.
Go home.
I don't want to hear you. You're going to get hurt, man.
Hey, what'd he do? It was
an accident, guys. Relax.
I tried to tell him to relax.
Hey.
got jumped by half of that.
No, I mean, honestly, he was trying to go and they took the ramp apart. People were like, go. So he's not in the wrong.
We're just trying to have a good time.
Who was that? Why did I ask if that was your boy?
That was my boy. He was like, nigga, that's your boy. Nigga, I'm here for you. Nigga, I don't know that nigga.
That nigga did have one. Show the face.
I see y'all go down there front track last minute because somebody got in your way.
Let's go. Hey, thank you, bro.
They knew nothing about medical.
He wants to say sorry.
She's having an epilepsy. She's having a seizure. I already know. She's having a seizure. They didn't even have to tell me this.
All right, hey guys. Whoa.
So,
Did you see her? Have a tonic?
she's having a seizure. She's having epilepsy.
No, you should. No.
We're beyond that enough.
I understand I hear her, but that don't mean you gotta hear other people.
At this point, we just want your information. At this point, we're not worried about them. We just want your information.
Guys, keep it moving. If you're not actively helping, keep it moving, please. If you're not immediately involved in it, down by the streets, guys. Hey, if you're not helping out, down by the street. If you're not actively helping, down by the street. Let's get moving, guys.
Back in the day, they would have slapped the shit out of everybody in that circle, and I would have been there with them. But now it's the opposite.
Dude, I know how it would have been at the registry.
It sucks. I mean, none of those people can do anything for it, bro. Nobody can do anything.
Right, trying to hit me. Yeah, but stopping the bike. It's not okay.
Yo, if you're not helping, please push out. If you're not helping, please push out, guys.
Headlight action. There we go. He got the spotlight on us. Hang on.
All right. All right, hey, everybody out. Out the way, seriously. Back up. Back up.
because everybody was going, and then that was it. It was clear. The guys with the guards, whatever, nobody was blocking it or nothing. I heard go, so I went, and then last second I seen them doing like just in the way. So I tried to peel off whatever way, and I hit her. And I'm sorry. I didn't. It wasn't on purpose like that. They told me to go, and everybody was doing whatever fun we were trying to do, and then it turned out into a bad thing. So I just didn't want. I don't want her thinking I was trying to leave either. I did stay, and they tried jumping me after or whatever, and I get it, you know. So then I was trying to like leave. They were trying to jump me, so then I came back, and I still said I'm trying to say sorry, and I'm still here, and I'm still trying to say sorry. And this is why this video is being taken, because I want her to see this video, and this is why I'm recording. She's recording, so that way I can say sorry, and it wasn't intentional like that. Everybody was out here for fun, and I didn't want nobody to hurt. And unfortunately, that was the case with her. And I'm so sorry. I don't even know her name. What is her name? No, I can't know her name. So I can say sorry to her.
I don't know.
Well, I can hopefully. It wasn't like that either.
Can we get your phone number?
Yeah.
Awful judgment.
They told me go.
Yeah. Like, no.
They said go, and these fools were in the way. Like, don't go.
It's ultimately your responsibility, but that was.
Yeah, but someone told me go, and I said I couldn't see do this shit. You wear this shit and tell me if you can see.
Okay, well, maybe, yeah.
Exactly.
They
told me go, and I went. I don't know what's going on down here. So I'm all the way
Don't go. Yeah, I understand your intentions, man, but that was
That was stupid, and I don't know. And that's why I stayed, because I'm like, what the fuck happened?
right on your back. Yeah.
The fuck, I wasn't trying to dip, and I get me. Everyone trying to put me up, bro, but I get it.
Up to it, and
But that don't mean you gotta jump someone. Like, it wasn't on purpose like that.
Nobody was trying to jump you.
Well, they were. One dude was.
I'm pro jump. Yeah, like, yes, honestly, yes. You're like, you didn't get your ass beat, like, stop.
No, that's what
Well, that's why me and
I'm not worried about me. I said
for
that.
sure.
I said it. If I was
You're
worried
like,
about me, I would have
you're
did. I would have been selfish. Obviously, I got hurt, yes, but I wanted to say sorry to her because I was hoping she would got up and was like, "What the fuck? What happened?" And that way, I could have been like, "I didn't mean it." But then this, I was like, "Oh my god."
This is reckless roller takes what it is.
Was it Paul Biker?
You don't have it.
You were involved?
Yeah, I'm the one that knows.
I was also a witness
Okay.
of what happened.
Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you real quick over there, and then I'll come back and talk to you. Okay, thanks.
And don't give a fuck where your fucking lands. I mean, what's wrong with the kids?
I know.
I've seen some stupid shit.
Yeah, let me send you one.
When we fucking are kids, we have common sense. Look, kids don't have common sense. Oh, it's too long.
That guy did.
Molly, do you want to be the witness?
Yeah, I'm down to, I don't know you guys, that's a lot of responsibility. I do have a video.
Just send him the video.
So to be clear, there was a ramp that we were using to go down this hill, and we had rules around it. We were letting people go down one at a time. We had people at the top who were saying go. We had finished up the ramp part of the portion of the day.
And we had made it a big round.
We've made it abundantly clear, just being like, this is the last one. We were doing an award ceremony, which is why we're all standing around and we're cheering to decide who's going to do what. And then out of nowhere, so we're all cheering, whatever. This person comes down the ramp, full speed on their bike, and then runs into the wall. It's an accident, like, I don't know.